Morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G54 Power, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. At first open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, and now mark Device Lock. Click on Fingerprint, and at first provide your lock screen pattern, PIN code or the password if you have one, and if you don't, you will have to provide a new one. It's a backup to your fingerprint. And now mark fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your power button, so all you have to do is to grab your phone and keep tapping on the sensor on power button till your fingerprint is fully added. Now click on Done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.